Next topic is ethers. Ethers are the organic compound in which oxygen atom is connected to two alkyl group or aryl group or aryl group. So these ethers are considered as the derivative of hydrocarbon in which one hydrogen is replaced by alkoxy group. This is called alkoxy group or OAR. This is called as the aryloxy group. So the general formula of ether is CnH2n plus 2O. This is the general formula of ether, and this can be represented as ROR. Now we will discuss the classification of ether. Classification of ether. Ether classified into two types. One is simple ether, another one is mixed ether. So ethers classified into two types. One is simple ether and another one is mixed ether. Simple ether means both alkyl or aryl group attached to the oxygen atom are the same. For example, CH3O, CH3. Here both the group, this is CH3 group, this is also CH3 group. So same group attached to the carbon atom. So this belongs to the simple ether. The same way C6H5O, C6H5. Here also both the groups attached to the oxygen atom, both the aryl groups attached to the oxygen atom is same. So this kind of ethers are called simple ethers. Mixed ether mean here alkyl or aryl group attached to the carbon atom are different. So different group of alkyl group or aryl group attached to the carbon atom. For example, CH3O, C, CH, CH3, CH3. This is the CH3 group, methyl group, and this is the propyl group is attached to the carbon atom. So different alkyl group is attached to the carbon atom, and this is belongs to the mixed ether. And another one is this is the aryl group attached to the oxygen atom, and this is the methyl group attached to the oxygen atom. So this is the example for the mixed ether. So ethers classified into two types. One is simple ethers, another one is mixed ethers. Simple ethers mean both the group attached to the oxygen atom is a alkyl group or it may be a aryl group. So both the groups are same, but different groups are attached means that is belongs to the category of mixed ether. Next one is structure of functional group of alcohols. The next one is structure of functional group of ethers. In ether, the oxygen which is attached to the two alkyl group or aryl group is similar to the structure of OH group attached to the carbon in alcohols. Here the oxygen which is undergo sp3 hybridization. So this sp3 hybridized orbital contains 4 sp3 hybridized orbital. Among the 4, one is overlap with the sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon and form a sigma bond, and another one also overlap with the carbon atoms and form oxygen carbon sigma bond, and 2 is which containing remaining as such, which contains the lone pair of electrons. The bond angle here it is 111.7. Actually, normal tetrahedral band angle is 109 degree 0.5, but here the bond angle is 111.7. The reason for this, because of the two bulkier group. This is one bulky group, this is another bulky group. So because of this bulky group present, there is a steric interaction takes place. So there is the repulsive force. Because of the repulsive force, the band angle is increased from the normal tetrahedral band angle to 111.7.